Here is how to apply a retainer to an invoice in Clio Manage. Once you are already signed in to Clio Manage, move to the left side of the screen and click Billing in the navigation menu. This takes you to the area where invoices, payments, and related billing activity are managed. From there, open the Bills tab. In this section, find the invoice that should receive payment from the client's retainer funds. Depending on how many bills you have on screen, you may need a moment to scan the list and confirm that you are opening the correct invoice before continuing. Click the invoice to open its details. This brings you into the individual bill view, where you can review the current balance and access the available billing actions connected to that invoice. Next, locate the Record Payment option for the invoice. Select it to open the payment window. This is where you will specify how the invoice payment is being made and how much will be applied. In the payment window, choose the client's trust account as the source of the payment. Make sure you select the trust account, since this step is what directs Clio Manage to use retainer funds rather than another payment source. After selecting the trust account, enter the amount of retainer funds you want to apply toward the invoice. Use the amount that matches the payment you want to move from trust to billing. This can be the full invoice amount or a partial amount, depending on the balance available in trust and the amount you intend to apply. Once the amount is entered, review the payment details in the window, check the payment source, confirm the amount, and make sure the transaction is being applied to the intended invoice. When everything looks correct, confirm the transaction to record the payment. After confirmation, Clio Manage processes the transfer and applies the selected amount from the client's trust funds to the invoice balance. At this point, the invoice reflects the payment that was just recorded using the retainer funds from the trust account. The last thing to do is verify the updated balances. Look at the invoice and confirm that its balance has changed based on the amount you applied. Then check the client's trust balance and make sure that it has also been reduced by the same amount. This final check helps confirm that the transfer was recorded properly and that both sides of the transaction were updated as expected. Thanks for watching. The selected retainer funds have now been applied to the invoice and both balances have been updated.